And yung kaso na yun, kanino yun ikakaso? Dun sa married man?
Both the man and the woman. In fact, you cannot file a case against the husband only. Kailangan laging dalawa.
Normally, anong ina-advise ninyo sa mga ganitong klaseng situation?
Pagkaso po ng infidelity kasi, ang policy po ng even ng law po natin dyan, in fact, kapag, assuming for example na yung sender po natin is married to bonbon. Ang law po natin dyan, ang policy ng batas natin dyan, ay hindi ka pwede magsampa ng kaso. Ang pwede lang magsampa ng kaso kung gusto mo magsampa ng kaso. For example, if what happened is concubinage. Okay?
What do you mean by concubinage?
Concubinage is...
Nagdugo yung ilong ko. Charot!
Yung concubinage, parang yun yung offense naman ng lalaki, yung kabaliktaran yun ng adultery. Yung adultery is a crime committed by a married woman who has sexual intercourse with a man, not her husband. Yung concubinage naman, yung married man perform at least any of these acts. May tatlo yun. For example, yung one, you keep a mistress in the conjugal dwelling sa mismong residence, tahanan ninyo. At pangalawa, if the man has sexual intercourse with the woman under scandalous circumstances, yung dinidisplay nila yung parang balahurang pagdi-display ng
So, kunwari, nag-mall silang dalawa, tapos nag-Facebook live pa, ganun. Okay,
under
nag-TikTok
scandalous
pa.
circumstances, if that can be considered as a public display of their affection na parang talagang pinapakita pa nila sa mga tao na ganito. Lastly, you cohabit with the woman in any other place. So parang nagsama kayo as husband and wife. And then yung babae, alam niya na married man ka.
And yung kaso na yun, kanino yun ikakaso? Dun sa married man?
Both the man and the woman. In fact, you cannot file a case against the husband only. Kailangan laging dalawa. And you cannot also file a case against them if nag-consent ka doon or pinatawad mo na yung husband.
Oh my God! Mind blown, guys! Poo! Ngayon, alam ko na. Attorney!
Sarap manood ng radyo, no?
Ginawa mo na talagang bisyo ang panonood sa amin, no? Umabot ka na rito, eh.
Kaya kung gusto mong tuloy-tuloy pa ang tawanan,
Iyakan at kiligan, aba,
i-like mo na ang video na ito.
At mag-comment ka na rin, kabisyo. I-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga kaganapan namin dito sa Love Radio.
kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Basic.